We recently did a cargo net video on the 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe. A couple of you left a comment below. You want to do on the 21 Palisade? Let's go ahead and do it. So for the Palisade, we do have two different ways we can use the cargo space. Right now we do have the third row down. Okay, the third row down, it's going to go ahead and give us a little bit extra room here and more cargo space in case you don't need that third row. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and set everything up. We do have a couple areas we're going to go ahead and clip on. It's going to be on the left back, the right back, down here, left and right, and then middle as well. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up for you guys real quick, and we're going to go check it out. Okay, we went ahead and set up the cargo net for you guys already. This is perfect for whenever you have boxes. You can go ahead and lay them down so they don't move around anywhere. The next option we can go ahead and have the cargo net placed would be having the clips down here in the bottom, and then also having the tether here, which we'll show you in a few. When you have it this way, you can go ahead and stow your things away here. You open up the zipper, you can put certain things in here, whatever you like. And if you want to put some other things here and it won't be visible, you can put it in the left pouch here. One more thing I wanted to go ahead and note out to you guys. If you guys are not using your third row, don't forget you do have your cargo cover available. You have two different settings for it. You can go ahead and have it closer to the door or closer to the driver, and that'll go ahead and restrict how far back you can move the middle row as well. So you can recline a little bit more if you do leave the cargo cover, back a little bit more. Next up, we're going to show you how to take apart the cargo cover. The sides of the cargo cover are retractable, so they go ahead and clamp in. We're going to go ahead and move it to one side and then just budge it out and put it down here next, okay? Comes out pretty easy. There you go. So in order to go ahead and put it away, you do need to bring in the right side in first, clamp it down, and then you can bring it in on the left hand side. Go ahead and cover everything back up, and you're all set. Once again, thank you for watching this video. If you have any other questions, leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as well.